Hello YouTube. I'm John Moore. I'm licensed heating and air contractor, Alabama and Georgia. I'm headed to a call about 25 minutes from my house. It's a Trane package unit. From what I'm understanding, no heat. It's not doing anything. It's electric. I'm assuming, and I'm just guessing here, those heat kits have fuses in them. Could be a blown fuse. Who knows? Could be a bad thermostat. We'll know when we get there. Check it out and we'll find out. It's probably about, I don't know, about 40 degrees outside, so it's New Year's Day 2020. We'll see what we find. Alright guys, I've made it here. And what we're looking at is a Trane package heat pump. It's a little older. Let's see. Looks like I'm not real certain what year. I know it's not 2019. Maybe 2006. Yeah, 2006. The customer's complaint was no heat. Said it wasn't doing anything. I go in, turn it on at the thermostat, it comes on. So we'll see. Alright, I've just got through looking at this Trane package heat pump. The complaint was no heat, and I turned it on. Everything's working, compressor comes on. It's an older 2006 model R22. It's got good pressures. It's just got a regular 2 heat, 1 cool Honeywell thermostat. As you can tell, my electric strip heat's working. I'm pulling almost 40 amps. We go to pressures. Pressures look good to me. We got 100-degree indoor coil temperature. It's 45 degrees outside. I've got a 31 degree condenser coil temperature. So, you know, we've got about a 15-degree split from outdoor ambient. So far, everything's looking good to me. I've already checked the blower motor fan capacitor. It's 15 UF. It's reading 15. And also the complaint was it wouldn't do anything. I had them reset their breakers, and they said it didn't do anything. So I'm not certain if we reset the lockout or what, but as you can tell right now, everything seems to be running fine. So we'll see if I find anything else. I'm gonna check the contactor, see what it looks like, check the compressor capacitor. Other than that, I don't know what else it could be. Everything looks good right now. We'll see. Okay, I just got finished looking at that Trane electric heat pump package unit. I've checked everything out. The only thing that everything checked out as of right now. So I think what it's doing is that blower relay. After I talked to the customer again, he says yes, every time it stopped heating, you could see the fan outside turning, but there was no air coming out of the vents. And the blower was just changed a couple years ago by someone else. I've checked it out, checked the capacitors. Everything checks out, everything looks good. And I found those blower relays where they'll get to where they'll run sometimes and sometimes they won't. So we're just gonna order that blower relay, put it on there. It looked kind of crusty, a little bit corroded up. So we're gonna replace that. And I believe that should take care of it. But maybe when it comes in, we'll record going back and putting it on. There's nothing really much to that, but that's gonna be all for this one. See y'all later. Thanks for watching. Bye.